The store making an unprecedented request, all in the name of preventing the spread of COVID-19. The market, which sits right next door to a nursing home, is telling staff members there to stay out.
The plea comes as California nursing homes have been devastated by COVID-19. According to LA Times data, more than 5,000 residents and staff members in California have died of the virus. That's about 39% of all the deaths in the state.
CBS 13's Laura Hafley is live in Davis on this with the store's request, Laura, and whether or not it's legal.
Yeah, this store taking it really seriously. You can see signs like this all over. Courtyard staff do not enter. You can see 2 signs on the windows and 2 on the doors. We talked to an employee at the Quick Shop Market, and he says they're hoping it keeps the people who work at the nursing home next door away who may have been exposed to coronavirus. Courtyard Healthcare Center in Davis has had 11 cases of COVID-19. Yolo County confirms none of the cases are current, but the market next door is refusing to allow the healthcare workers inside anyway.
I looked at the sign and I thought, man, this is really disrespectful to all frontline workers.
A market employee who didn't want to go on camera says they've posted these signs concerned with the nursing home's exposure to the virus.
I don't necessarily agree with it, but I also think everyone has a right to kind of protect their own health.
I can't even imagine not being able to come next door and just get a drink.
Mike Curro's daughter is a nurse in San Francisco.
When I told her about this, she goes, this is unbelievable.
And is it even legal to ban healthcare workers? We asked law professor John Myers, who says it's unclear.
This is one of those questions that we're facing maybe for the first time in the era of COVID-19.
An unprecedented pandemic with no clear legal precedents.
If you discriminate in public accommodations on the basis of a prohibited classification, you can be sued.
Classes protected against discrimination include race, religion, sex, and national origin.
But there's nothing that I can find in the law that says a store cannot refuse service on the basis of its fear of a pandemic.
Something he says may change in the near future.
Legislative bodies locally and state will have to address it.
Well, Professor Myers says this is a slippery slope. If a market can do this, what's to stop a bigger grocery store from keeping out healthcare workers? And we did reach out to Courtyard Healthcare Center. They did not respond to this issue directly, but they do say they're proud of their staff.